बढ़ेंगे। सियाती मकाम गुलमर्ग में बर्फबारी के बाद फ्रांस, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, कनाडा और दीगर मुख्तलिफ गैर मुल्की सयाह स्कीइंग के लिए गुलमर्ग पहुंच रहे हैं। यहाँ ये सयाह खूब स्कीइंग में मसरूफ अमल हैं। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सिडनी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले सयाह रोहन कहते हैं कि हम गुलमर्ग के ढलानों पर स्नोबोर्ड की स्कीइंग करने आए हैं। इनका मजीद कहना है कि वो जापान, न्यूजीलैंड और कनाडा जा चुके हैं और रूस में भी ऑफ ट्रैक स्नो बोर्डिंग की है, लेकिन गुलमर्ग का किसी चीज से मुआवजा नहीं किया जा सकता। वजह है कि गुलमर्ग में इस बार काफी तादाद में गैर मुल्की सयाह आ रहे हैं।
But unfortunately, there has been no snow. But the snow that we've got today is beautiful. If we get more of this, and if longer runs, it will be beautiful. If they get a chance to come here, it's wonderful. The people are so friendly. Yeah, definitely friendly.
It's my first day doing my ski lessons in Gulmarg, Kashmir, and I enjoyed it very much. I love the place. I love the people. I love my instructors. And I love everyone here.
Plenty of snow slopes in my life, and Gulmarg tops it all. I've been to Japan, been to New Zealand, been to Canada. I've done, off-track snowboarding in Russia, and nothing compares to Gulmarg, man. Nothing. Hey guys, my name's Rohan. I'm from Australia, Sydney originally, and we've come to Gulmarg to hit up the slopes and snowboard. There's loads of fresh snow that's just come down, so make sure you get on down here. Hospitality, kindest people I've ever met. We're staying in a lovely hotel just in Gulmarg, and they're just treating you with utmost respect, and it's just awesome. If you get down here, get on the, is it Kavar? Kavar, top drink, Kavar, I'll sort you out, keep warm at the end of the day. The food's amazing. Don't miss it.
My name's Aman. I'm from Sydney, Australia. This is my first time in Kashmir. It's a beautiful place.
So we came here for a study tour to Srinagar. So we are enjoying this place very nicely, and this is the first time what we are seeing here. The first time we are seeing this kind of snow, and we people at 35 people we came here. हम लोग ना जितना enjoy कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो हमें अभी ये शब्द भी नहीं है हमारे पास. It's the bottom of the heart of everyone.